Hey there, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and I'm excited to show you our basement kitchen and dining room today. Alrighty, so like I was talking about last week, I love basement spaces because they're a little bit more laid back, less formal, and I say that, but I did do fancy stuff down here, so it's take it for what you will. But I just mean we have more loungy type space with that living room I shared, the kind of family room area that I shared last week. And then we kind of did some fun stuff down here too with this bar. And this feels a little bit more, low key and fun. We kind of just had this wall here and I thought, why not put some seating? And I'm still finishing up details. I'm kind of debating for this space above if I want to do a couple open shelves for like barware and things like that, or if I want to do like cool artwork. Could be a mirror, but then it'd be awkward because you'd be like sitting there looking at yourself, so not a mirror. Art or shelves, those are the options. Weigh in if you want to in comments. Oh, by the way, while you're here, we'd love to have you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos in case you haven't yet. We've got more exciting stuff coming with our home, especially with finishing up the yard. The outdoor spaces are so exciting. So anyway, we'd love to have you guys along for the ride. And we always appreciate your likes and comments too. That helps our channel a ton and makes me motivated to make more videos because sometimes it takes a lot of work. Anyways, look at my dress that has pockets. Isn't it cute? I'll link it. All the links are in description below. Anyway, the floors. While I'm talking about, these floors are what we have upstairs too, and they are the Sunset Oak from Hallmark floors. They are like a wide plank engineered hardwood, and I have loved them. They have been performing really well, and they hide dirt, and I have no regrets. I did wood pretty much throughout our house, even here in the basement, and have been really happy with it. So check that out in links as well. I did these bar stools because I wanted something that had like a more low-key profile, but that was still interesting. And these kind of feel like art. A Wayfair find on those, I think it was. I think they're also available through Walmart. I'll link it, whichever one's the best price, but really like those. They're cute. And we'll step over into the main kitchen area too. So a little bit funky layout because just how the space was, but I actually really like it because if you're doing dishes, you kind of have a view out to the family room area. And I kept these cabinets simple except for the island, which is the showstopper, right? This fluted oval island really feels like a piece of furniture. I had that custom built by our cabinet company, Deco Design. Just kind of like showed a drawing or pictures of something that I wanted to create. And we did, of course, the Taj Mahal. Finally did the Taj Mahal. I've wanted this in our last two homes and finally splurged for it, the quartzite. It is beautiful. Like everybody's done Taj Mahal by now, but I have no regrets on it because it's so stunning. And it's got those warmer tones to it. So it just feels so like, it's like formal in a sense, like fancy, but then it's also cozy because it's got the warmer tones to it. And I really love it. So there's that. Over here, of course, you're seeing that I did that Taj Mahal, not only on the countertops, but also the wall. So this is kind of like a big moment. It does suck a little bit because it has seams. You just can't do usually this big of a space without seams. So sometimes I'm like, oh, I wish I could hide the seams, but I still love it. I love it a lot. And this is just kind of a fun detail, this little shelf. Just kind of fun. I'm still kind of playing with the decor that I want here because I want it to be functional, like little dishes and bowls. I still need to add some of our dining ware down here, but some cute salt and pepper shakers. A lot of these are Target and Amazon finds, so super affordable. A little artwork there and candlesticks, just kind of some stuff that I picked up along the way, but I'm liking how it's coming along. A little bit of that fall feel. I brought in like some richer tones. I always love artichokes. We do eat those, but they look really cute when we do our photo shoots like we did today. So, and bread, I need to get this so it doesn't get too dry, but always love those little details for when you're taking pictures. Oh, while we're over here too, this is the air fryer from it's brand new, so you haven't used it yet. But the Drew Barrymore line at Walmart, it is so cute. They just came out with this color. There's a bunch of different colors and they're all like really, really good. This taupe, I think it's something taupe, is so dang cute. I've got a couple more pieces here too. Like they have, and you can see the This is the sandwich griddle, and then the, what's it called? It's a blender. That's the thing. And the blender even comes with a cute little like smoothie cup. Yeah, we think of everything. Drew Barrymore has the cutest stuff, actually. I love her collection. So I'll link those too, because really, really fun if you want some appliances, the countertop appliances they have really good reviews as well, that are really functional, but also more cute if you want to have it on the counter like that. Blends right in. And affordable. Thank you, Walmart. So appliances in the bigger scale, how pretty is this? We did Z-line, and I did this like champagne bronze with the stainless, and I love the mixed metal. I feel like this is like the jewelry of the space, right? It just gives this whole basement kitchen such an elevated look. It feels bougie because of this. But I'm really working on cooking more, and my oldest son is like loving to cook. So I am excited that we did nicer appliances down here, even though it was kind of like one of those things. It was like, do we do it or not? Because they're beautiful, but then I really love the way these function too. So that's gonna be, I think, something we really put to good use. I kind of want to film like cooking videos down here. It just feels like it's that kind of kitchen, right? And then this is even the knife block from the beautiful collection that I was talking about. So again, really pretty, even like how the knives, that was such a Barker's Beauty move. Is that what they probably don't even call them that anymore on the Price is Right. I once did wedding invitations for one of the models from Price is Right. And I was like, oh, I used to design wedding invitations. You're right. I don't think I've mentioned that before, but that was years ago. Back to my kitchen. So up on this ledge, this is a cute art piece that I found from Target. Like Target has some seriously really good stuff for fall. They also have these cute spices. I love these because they're simple and they're organic. So we just have some that look cute up on that ledge that are also ones that we use often. Brought in, this is one of my favorite little faux plants, just to have a little bit of greenery in here. This corner's kind of funky. I'll probably store like some of the countertop appliances back there because it's just kind of a little hole back there. I don't know. I didn't want to like close it in. I wanted that wall to just be the stone all the way across. So here's the fridge. We can take a peek in here. Oh, look, this is like a surprise. I need to actually fill this up and put the filter in, but they even have a cute filter picture from the Drew Barrymore line. But here's how this fridge looks. I love it. They have one with the option of the water and ice in the door as well, if you want that. I didn't really think we needed it down here. And then it's just, the Z-line stuff is just so stunning. And there's the microwave's cool too. This built-in drawer microwave, really, really functional and nice. And then it kind of blends in better than having something on the countertop. So love that detail. We did some fun hardware in here too. You can see there. These are like an acrylic half moon. This is from Schaub & Co. I love their hardware. They're a sister company with M-Tech. So just really high-end products. And then this is a really cute fluted option. I wanted to kind of mimic the fluted detail of the island in these handles. So just kind of fun. And then we've got the dishwasher to match. I love when they have this top rack for the knives and stuff. So these Z-line appliances have been top tier. And what's also cool is they have I'm going all the way backwards again, but they have the matching faucet. So this is the exact finish of the handles you can get in the Z-line faucets. And then I love, of course, the pull down and kind of the simplicity of that. Did a fun light over the top. Our cabinet color, because I know someone's gonna ask, our cabinet color in here is one of my favorites. It is Sherwin-Williams Morris Room Gray. And it's really a more mushroom tone, taupey color with a, mushroom green, maybe a little bit of a green undertone. Gorgeous, definitely a nice way to break up from all the white that we see. And it's got some saturation, but isn't too dark and heavy. Which brings us to this, oh, you guys, the mural. Do you love the mural? I love it. I love it so much. I added this last second because I just felt like this wall was a little bit boring over here and we had so much beauty happening in the kitchen and then we have a fun dining nook and I needed something to like marry the two. And I love it. It feels kind of like, I don't know, global influence, like just, it's dreamy to me. And I'm so happy we added it. But this is the doors to the gym, which I'm gonna give you a tour of soon. Dark in there right now. I cannot wait to show you that. But over here, oh, and this area, I'm thinking it could be fun to put like a pool table or a ping pong table. I've seen some cute ones. If you guys have any recommendations there, or if your family has a ping pong or pool table, like what do you use it? Is it worth like the space it takes up? We do have a decent amount here, and I think it'd be fun for like family gatherings and the kids would use it. So let me know, weigh in on that if you have suggestions or have one or the other yourself. Over here, this is one of my favorite details. If you remember our last home, I did a built-in banquet area like this, and it was like lifesaver because when you have big groups of people over, you can fit like 1 million people around this. And so we loved having that in our last home for entertaining and for kids' parties and everything. So we did that again in here, and I'm so happy. I did some fun little details. You can see fluted on this like tambour type detail on the banquet bench. Love that. I wanted it to be in a natural wood, and we had just like a finished carpenter do that. I designed it, and then had this gorgeous cover made by my friend Katie at the Sewing Nerd. She's so good. And anyway, this is by her too. Designed this leather backing piece. It's got the rounded edges and this beautiful stitching detail. It's stunning, and then gives you kind of some comfort when you're sitting here, you know, something to lean against. The chairs, you'll see, have the leather finish as well. These were like a TJ Maxx or Marshall's find. They're made by Four Hands. I believe they sold out, but I'm gonna keep an eye on those coming back because they're really pretty as well. Did the marble tables just to kind of have like a mixed material feel. And I love these light fixtures. These are from Lauren Leas. I think that's how you say her last name. She has like an HGTV show, and she has a collection with Hudson Valley lighting, and I love these. So freaking cute. They really make the space. And then I still need to do window coverings in here. I'm gonna do something cool with maybe some texture so that we finish off this space with a really pretty window detail. That will come in my full home tour reveal, hopefully coming soon when I get the last little loose ends tied up and we walk through the whole house. I'm really excited for that. The window wells, a little bit less than desirable. This basement, because our home is on the mountainside, our backyard actually goes up, so we couldn't do a walkout, and so you get deep window wells. It's kind of crappy. We did do like the concrete, and I wanna say they're not that bad, but they're kind of ugly. They look a little bit prison-y, but once I get window coverings, we're only gonna look at the window coverings, so it's fine. Can't have it all, never have it all. Anyway, so this is the space. Super freaking excited. Hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in comments below, and I will see you again next week here with another video.